Alright, I am going to do an unboxing of the PhoneSoap. So here we have PhoneSoap version 3, and it's new. It's a phone sanitizer for phones and phablets. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Open it up. Okay, so I have, looks like a cord in here. Okay, regular AV style cord. Try to zoom in on that. You get it. Okay. Put that in a bubble. Alright, so here we go. Our PhoneSoap. Ooh. Alright. Looks like it comes with a little scrubby pad. Okay, and then this has the setup directions. Which just says to plug it in and then put your charger into it, close the lid, and it will take 10 minutes. And then here is 10% off. Awesome. So what I think is the deal is that it's a UV type light that will kill all the germs that are on your phone or any item that can fit in here. And so can't wait to give it a try. Looks really cool.